In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the referral code in CashApp. So as you know, if you use a referral code, the person referring and yourself will get $5. And the way that you do that is, first you create the account, and then after you create the account, before you do anything else, you need to click on the top right here where you see the icon for your avatar. And then you're gonna scroll down until you see referral code. You're gonna type that in. And then, for example, my referral code is the one you'll see here on the screen. All right, that is LDKMQFT. And then you press enter. And then it tells you your referral status. So what's gonna happen now is, now that you entered that referral code, when you send money for $5 or more, then you will get $5 in return. So if you're trying to pay somebody $5, you get it back using my referral code. So that's how you do the referral code in the latest version of the CashApp application. Alright, if you have any questions, any issues, leave your comment below, and please subscribe to my channel.